Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can do delete at tail in a linked list. So we have a linked list right over here, and delete at tail is a bit different to delete at head. It's actually very different. There's a number of processes that occur. And to keep it simple, firstly we're gonna start coding the simple stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna say void exact same. I mean, if head is equal to null, meaning the linked list is empty, then just return. And then if the linked list contains a single node, then just delete that node and make head equal to null and return it. And after that, if both of these are not true, meaning that the linked list has more than one node inside of it, then what to do? So then we're going to first dry run. So deletion at tail happens like this. We have our head over here and we have our tail. We want to delete this node over here. Fine. And now this is our tail. So the process is as follows. You're going to firstly create a temporary node equal to head. Alright, you're going to make it equal to head. Now temp is right over here, t is here. You're going to make t hop along, alright, until here, not until the last node, because remember we are deleting the last node. So you're going to make it hop on till the second last node. Alright, so now t is going to be coming over here. Once t is there, that's going to be step number 1. It's sub steps, make t and make it loop till the second last node. So I'm going to write here, once you actually add the second last node, what you want to do is you want to delete t.next. Right now, right over here. Okay, that's step number 2. Now remember, once you do delete t.next, this becomes our tail, and it contains the address of the last node which we just deleted. Right? So the third step would be to make t.next, which is right over here, equal to null, because now that is our tail. So make that equal to null. I'm going to say node t is equal to head, and I'm going to say while, and of course I'm looping it, so I'm going to say t is equal to t next. Right, let me just scroll down so you can see properly. Okay, so what type of condition should I add in here in order to check that it's the second last node? Well, I'm going to say t I'm going to say t.next, okay, and another next is not equal to null. And why? Let me explain this. The reason is t.next, 2 times next, is because remember we are here now. If I say t.next, it's going to give me the address that's stored here, right? So I want to check another time next. I want to check the next of this, which is going to be null. So that's why it's 2 times next. If you don't understand, just go 5 seconds back and I'll re-listen to what I said. It's basically because this is t.next. If I do t.next once, then it's going to give me this node here. But then if I do another next, it's going to give me the next of that node, which is null. So that's what I want to ensure. Okay, so if that's the case, then I want to step out of the loop and I want to delete t dot next. And once I do that, I'm going to say t dot next, make it equal to null. So that's just delete at the end, at tail. Thanks for watching.